Hello and welcome to the video. Oh, what happened to my UVs?
Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Akash and I'm a professional character artist. I work for Ubisoft since last 69 years. And in this one, we'll be taking a look at the UVs. So what is the purpose of UVs? Here I'm trying to explain if you have a new object, it should have a UVs to have him some texture. You saw Tom at the beginning of of this video. He was looking for his UVs to place himself on. So right now, for this grenade, the object is empty. It can't hold any information other than one color or multiple color according to the faces or vertices. But in our case, or in game, or in real world scenario, it's better to have a UVs, and we paint on the UVs, and then we apply back that paint to the object which hold those UVs, what we are doing right now. So that's what the process is. Unless you want to display high polys only in your portfolio, you don't have to do UVs. But I know it's a boring part of the process of whole 3D, but it is a very important part, and you have to keep in mind that there are certain games with a certain pipeline where UVs should be in certain way, like straight, or can't be rotated in some direction. So you have to keep those things in mind. Other than that, it's really simple to do UVs in Maya. Just have to apply any maps, start selecting edges, cut from there, and start placing them on 0 to 1. Yeah, unless you want to create UVs. That's a different scenario that we use for characters and mostly in VFX or movies, because shots are sometimes close and we have to have those skin pores and details to be visible on the camera, which can't be possible in a 4K or 8K map. That's why separate map for UDIMs. That's a separate video. If you want, I can make it for you and explain the whole process. So you wanna become a 3D artist? I have it. Then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because a lot of more exciting videos will be coming soon. Next, I will explain you how ZBrush works, what you can do in ZBrush, how you can use ZBrush, everything related to ZBrush. So that will come next after this series, the sci-fi grenade. Obviously, the next video will be baking and the texture. So wait for that. Make sure you subscribe, you don't miss that. And that's how you do UVs, one by one, isolating all the objects, projecting, and then cutting it and placing it. Make sure you place your UV islands a little bit farther from there. There is a rule which you can search on internet, or maybe I will do, that the smaller the size of your map, the larger the gap should be. Otherwise, there will be bleeding of textures when your engine down resists that. Suppose you have 1K texture and you want to downgrade to 512, then it might create some pixelation or bleeding that can be visible on other island. That's why there's a gap between two islands. So it's the final process. I'm just trying to rearrange all these parts from this grenade, and then I will see you in the whole process of baking. Cheers, mate, take care, and subscribe, share to your friends who want to learn 3D. Share my channel, share my videos. Highly appreciate it. Take care, bye bye, and I'll see you tomorrow.
what happened to my UVs?